Hey guys, this is Fundo on Shopagama. Tonight on Durban General, Zandile tell Dr. Kwabe that must tell Mtembu family the truth. Pumeza faced the Mtembus. She tell them the reason why she swiped her babies, but Mtembu mother slapped her. Lindelani don't want to listen the patient, while Mbali complained to her. Mbali thought Lindelani had done something for her on Valentine's Day. Snare make an excuse and force MacGyver and Kelvin to pump her. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.